hilaya kabila Thupi Mr. Motbung Houbung amahi tutua Motbung Baptist Church secretary. The one on my left is Mr. Motbung Houbung. He is currently the church secretary of Motbung Baptist Church. And the one on my right, kasi lang ahung Mr. Houbung amahi tutua assistant pastor. Currently he is the assistant pastor of Motbung Baptist Church. And I am Reverend Siklo, and I was the pastor of this church in the year 2006 to 2014. And in the meanwhile, I was in my school ministry, and still I'm running my own school. Yet during this course of time, it's part of him. Pastor, senior pastor, and we'll always look forward to working together with every one of you guys. Hichihi Motbung Baptist Church, Thado Baptist Association Office hi. Tuni patelung senin kumbul kiwai hom na lolling selin akinizin. Hichi kumbul kiwai hom na achun apanga kuhichi kumbul kiwai hom na apahochu Motbung Houbung suma aba ba lam kaizo seling senin anakinizin hi. Tuni I say no pen tau cho ahi le kiwai hom tu do ta lovin azo chuni sei chai tawin tuni I say no pen tau cha le media tu e. How important is media? Media to be done da hi. Pathen thu lo media ngai tan, tas thu lo media ngai tan, china thit na lo media ngai tan. Tuni wanoi le se thil tam ta mi khat chu ama agit ngai ko wa ahi le. Tuition, school, college kahi zong le, sapa o hena. Chuteng le paula ha ma hena lung tim phat le niku ape do phona hi le. Media ako na, WhatsApp ako na, YouTube ako na, Google sa ako na, AI ako na, China tim na tam ta. School a khillo lo zo. College a khillo lo zo. Amu do thi khangai ta ne. Hi che khang chai pa ta je wa chu Motbung Baptist Church in zong media team ni lo wa. Ako to lhonnin media team ong kinai tan heche ahi Motbung a helum chuteng le mango amani hin heche media hi ahin mo ko nei ulanau te ho sobite ho adeh-a Motbung Baptist Church member ho Nilhah am lo namun Ghotia nam long namun Bangalore am lo namun chuteng le foreigner mun chom America hen lang Australia hen lang Korea hen lang China hen lang Munchom chomana moving, Temzil na to na, Ailo Isle, naho, Hinatokito on the line or that, so chomana na to he. Hitabamachu, Tuapanahi, Hoylamun Amazon Levels, Motbung Baptist Church, Patil who home nahi, no, it's a live stream who give on nahi. Nadao to do a tighty hit, to name, it's a media manchan, kind put on he. Chuteng le pam langa ho go bon heche Motbung kusuma tho kiman lel je ham boi je ham ha sat jam na le sat je ham khana kai the lo hon jong pathin thu ingai the tai heche media team ma heti hi kahin se no hi heche live stream ai lo ai le Motbung Baptist YouTube video chu hela na the dom ti ai le. The name itself Motbung Baptist Church. The time of Isle, it's a YouTube channel, Motbung Baptist Church, Motbung Baptist Church Facebook page, chuteng like Motbung Baptist Church Instagram. He like to ya kai name it you tan. Hey, chuteng like ulan out ho. Munchom choma ko na hitabang chu pathina na to now online na lo. So ma khadian lang mai cha bi zong nen bi thi diu hin hi cho hi account hol kin gong tu min tin chuteng le hoi lai pen anan thoi diam ti jong hi kin sein tin hi ta banga chu ai lo ai le no parents family ho through a ko anan thoi cho ho pon lang pang chu ya chu no ho jong mun cho ma ko na na gen the na no sum na pai pa the na to na nen thot ho jong su ipya ki mang cham ti ho ma zo se transparency unde tan tunin no kum ki bai hom na ki sein sumlepai ki man cha na ho imazong se tengle hobung ki man cha na sumlepai se hello kin ki gon ho ya kai WhatsApp rumagam aban bana update ke bolding tengle hiche YouTube channel along hi aban bana update ke bol jingding tai ti hi hobung ti azong se he sa na en kini jina hi Motbung Houbung tilo along pakai pathin chate unchom ko na view the ye chun he Motbung Baptist Church YouTube channel tengle Facebook page insta hi subscribe wa tengle izu yuwa Motbung ako na kitil ko na the ipimam ti pa imu do di imu wa ikhel de bi kitil mo nei. Hi, welcome to Motbung Baptist Church YouTube channel, Motbung Baptist Church Facebook page and Instagram page. And we are very happy and excited to introduce these church media for the first time. And we will always provide a platform for you. Even if you are unable to attend church, you might be far and near, you might be unable to attend the church, but through this media platform, we will provide you to view, to worship the Lord together, while we also worship here in our local church. Thank you guys, thank you friends, thank you brothers and sisters for always supporting Motbung Baptist Church. Thank you.